Modern engines can be subjected to a variety of loads and stresses during everyday use. The oil filter plays a central role in protecting the engine. It ensures optimum oil supply during cold starts, with frequent restarts, when traveling short distances, and at high speed on the motorway. The service life of a combustion engine will be enhanced through the use of quality engine oil and filters. As the oil circuit becomes contaminated by combustion residues, metal and other dirt particles, it's absolutely essential to use a reliable filter to clean the oil. One frequently used type is the spin-on filter. The dirty oil is pumped to the filter, where it passes through a special filter medium with pleats designed to withstand high-pressure differentials and which is resistant to aggressive chemical substances in the oil. MAN filter brand products can provide almost perfect particle separation and retain even the smallest particles of dirt. Inferior quality filters do not have stable pleat geometry and have a lower dirt capacity. In addition, smaller particles are not retained. They remain in the oil circuit and cause increased engine wear. Poor quality filters can also tear easily when exposed to high-pressure differentials. Unfiltered oil therefore reaches the engine and within a short period of time causes substantial damage. MAN oil filters prevent this from happening. They remain effective throughout the entire service interval. However, with the constant buildup of dirt and chemical aging of the oil, it's essential to change both the oil and the oil filter together on a regular basis. You should therefore change MAN oil filters regularly to ensure that the various oil filtration requirements are met. A high-quality housing is also an essential part of a reliable oil filter. Operating pressures of up to 10 bar and pressure peaks well above that level demand a high standard of pressure resistance in the casing and all other components. Poor quality filter housings have a number of disadvantages. When using inferior sealing materials, there's the risk of oil leaking between the filter housing and the engine block. Inadequate surface protection when sprayed with water can cause corrosion. This can also result in loss of oil. Finally, if undersized or inferior quality housing materials are used, there's the danger of bursting, resulting in major damage to the engine. MAN oil filters are robust and resilient. They meet all engine manufacturers' requirements. As well as the housing and the filter media, there are, however, other components which are essential for the quality of the filter and thus for the safety of your engine. A high-quality oil filter system should therefore also contain a bypass valve adapted to suit the operating pressure of the particular engine type, which is closed during normal operating conditions, but which will convey oil directly past the filter medium, if necessary, to ensure adequate engine lubrication when the filter is heavily contaminated or the oil is cold and viscous. With poor quality filters, the bypass valve might not open quickly enough, or it might not open at all. There's the risk that the engine will run without lubrication for a time, which quickly leads to serious damage to the engine. The bypass valve could possibly be slow to close, or it might not even close at all. This leads to a drastic increase in engine wear due to the constant circulation of unfiltered oil. MAN oil filters, on the other hand, work efficiently and reliably. They are equipped with bypass valves which precisely match the individual engine's requirements. An efficient anti-drain valve is another important component. The anti-drain valve prevents the filter from emptying when the engine is switched off and thus ensures that the necessary pressure is immediately available when restarting. On poor quality filters, the anti-drain valve may not close efficiently. The filter can empty and oil may not be immediately supplied to the engine when restarting. This too can lead to substantial wear on the engine. Therefore, change MAN oil filters regularly because MAN filter brand products contain highly efficient filter media with high filtration efficiency, optimum dirt capacity, and outstanding chemical resistance. MAN oil filters have a robust housing with a high-quality seal, correct bypass valve pressure setting, and anti-drain valve with optimum performance. All these functions are constantly being amended to meet the latest requirements of the engine manufacturers. A large number of ultra-modern oil filters with different designs, as well as complete oil filter modules, are currently available under the MAN filter brand. This clearly underlines the technological leadership of MAN filter products. MAN filter offers original equipment quality, a complete product range, and high availability.